Gurpreet, the club's playing its first competitive game after an ISL season to forget. How much are you and how much is the team looking forward to this?
Really looking forward to it. I mean, like you mentioned, it was a season to forget, but that's in the past, and the most important thing is the future. And honestly, none of us is thinking about what had happened, because we are looking forward. And as they say, you're as good as your last training session, last game. So we are trying to make sure that we take the confidence that we gained in the last friendly against FC Goa and continue that in the game coming tomorrow, because it's a knockout. So in this kind of game, you can't make mistakes, because if you make mistakes, you're out of the competition totally. So that's one of the important things, and we have to make sure that we don't let any of the past come in between, and just look forward and look towards building something new.
We faltered at the knockout stages of the same competition last season. How big of a blow was that, and how much has the team used that loss as a motivation before we start this year?
I mean, we promised each other that that is something that we can't let happen again, because the way it happened was very, very dramatic. I mean, we went to extra time, then penalties, then almost sudden death as well. That's where I think BFC should not reach. BFC, in my opinion, can do so much better. We can do so much better as players as well, and that's what we promised each other. And whoever was involved at that time is here and is trying to make amends. And the ones who have joined us new, they are very focused as well and have the same goal in mind. So that is very important for the club to have that united focus and united goal, and that's what we will try doing tomorrow.
We have a new coach with new ideas, a new philosophy, completely new outlook. How have you personally and how has the team embraced all of this?
I think I have been enjoying training a lot. It is one of the best feelings that you can have when you go out to train and you're tired, you're totally tired, but when you step off the pitch, you feel satisfied. And that's the kind of feeling that I've personally had, and I'm sure that many of the boys have had as well. It is a bit difficult due to the COVID conditions. A lot of the preparations didn't go up to the plan, and we lost some players as well. But now trying to put for example, 5-week preparation into a 2-week preparation is difficult and demanding. But I think the players are very excited. They are very optimistic as well with our new coach's philosophy and the way he demands things, because he wants to win. He's hungry, and that rubs off on us, and we want to do the same.
We haven't seen much of Tribhuvan Army spare the one game they played before coming here last week. What is your take on the team, and what kind of challenge do you think they could pose?
I think we should not underestimate them, because they won the league in their respective domestic league, and they were unbeaten. That is one of the traits of a very strong team. No matter how many games or whoever you play, but to not lose a game in domestic competition is achievement in itself, and I think we shouldn't take them lightly. The strong point of them as well is that they are a military team. They don't have any foreigners, which might work for them as well, because they are always together. They have been training together for about 12-13 months. So I just want to make sure that all of us are very focused and not taking anything lightly, and make sure that we don't give an inch